But is it Thocky though? Welcome back to another Unpack It. Guys, if you're enjoying this series, be sure to leave a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And today, I have here the Varmilo Cliff Bot Lie wireless Bluetooth keyboard. Say that 5 times fast. It is a TKL keyboard with a sleek, kind of futuristic look. I personally went with the MX Red switches because I love the way it sounds. Plus, I'm a gamer. I need that linear feel. All right, now let's unbox this thing. All right, so before we actually unbox it, I want to go over the things it came in with. We have this little Industrial Revolution thing, and it actually comes with a cute little story inside, as well as some extra keycaps here for extra customization. All right, let's move these over here, and let's unbox it. Oh, I forgot to mention, for the box, I kind of like the design of it. I like the cool orange line, and I like all these smiley faces, and there's one side one. See, that's the guy that didn't buy this keyboard. Everyone else bought this keyboard except him. That's why he said. Ooh, okay, percentage-wise, okay. I like this. Gotta keep that safe. Oh, stick. Good, safe. And then, in here, you have your switch puller. That's nice. Comes with a switch puller. Good to know. All right, here is the main event, the keyboard. Just gonna open it very nicely.
Two hours later.
Woo. That plastic out of here. This is what we're here for. Look at that keyboard. All right, the case itself, it's black and gray, as well as the keyboard, the keycap. Keyboard, yeah, we're talking about the keyboard, duh. The keycaps are black, gray, and orange, or as I like to call it, the Linus Tech Tips colorway. Hit us up if you want to do a collab. And the art on the keycaps, I absolutely love this design. This is gonna sound weird, but if ancient glyphics and alien text had a baby, I think it would look something like this. That is the best way to describe it. Weight-wise, it's roughly about 4 pounds. That's it on the front. Now we flip it on to the back. As we mentioned before, it has the USB dongle, 2.4 gigahertz, not gigabytes, gigahertz. And then, of course, adjustable stands, 2 different heights for that, for whatever is comfortable for you. And if you are doing the wired connection, the USB port Type-C is right in the middle. It also has these cool little grooves at the top to make cable management easy. I like that a lot. And yeah, battery life-wise, it's roughly about 30 days. And yeah, like I mentioned before, unfortunately, there is no RGB, but man, come on guys, look at this thing. Does it need RGB? I don't think it needs RGB. So yeah, I think that's basically it. All there's left is everyone's favorite, a sound test. And that wraps up another Unpack It, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, leave a like and hit that subscribe button. It's right beside the like button. Michael, I know you're watching. Do it, do it. I see you. Hit that subscribe button, you better. And yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below what you want me to unpack next. And that's it for me. Thank you again for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.